about how much you love Legacy Online. Who uses Legacy Online? All right. Now I kind of want to see the other half. Who uses Graphic Tree on lsengage.com? All right. All right. So you might have just realized, wait, there's two tools, Legacy Online and Graphic Tree, and some hands went up and some hands went up over here. Well, what the team has done is they've done associate interviews. They've done surveys. They've been talking to you guys for quite some time. And they've taken the best of Legacy Online and they've taken the best of the Graphic Tree and they have made one tool for you to use. It's like the one tool that rules them all, right? It's the tool that you have been needing and asking for to be able to understand your organization, because this is your genealogy tool, right? So you need to look up someone. Okay, let's say, for example, you want to see who in your organization has written premium this month. This is your tool. You want to see who's had a new recruit this month. This is your tool. You want to see who's performance qualified this month. This is your tool. You want to see who's in their faster qualification window. This is your tool, right? Right? Not only that, and these are the tech people talking to me, because I was like, what are the bullets I should put up? They're like, it's fast. And you know what it is. If you have a large organization, you're like, man, I would love to use the Graphic Tree, but you know, I look at it and then I go pop some popcorn and I got to come back and then I get to use it, right?